Welcome to BitBoy Crypto, home of the BitSquad, the largest and greatest crypto community in all the interwebs. My name is Ben. Every day on this channel, I show you how to make money in crypto. If you like money and crypto, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Bitcoin, am I right? Ethereum, am I right? I don't know whether it's Valentine's Day or whether the Easter bunny's back, but we have seen now Ethereum go to $2,500. Now, you have a lot of people out there who are trying to explain why this happened, why Bitcoin went from 39,000 all the way to 42,400 last night. We have a little bit of a retracement. We are sitting right about exactly $42,000 right now. I think it was about 41,500 when I woke up. So it has climbed back up almost to 42,000. And we know 42,000 is a very, very, very strong resistance level because it was a very, very strong support level on the way up. And so people are trying to figure out what is going on with all these prices. Why are things starting to develop in a way that people didn't expect? Well, that would be people other than those in the BitSquad. Because if you watch this channel, and if you have watched this channel for a while now, you know that ever since the month of June, the very beginning of June, we've been telling you guys that, hey, be prepared because June and July were going to be boring. But by the middle of July, we were going to see the price of Bitcoin start to go up. This is not based on a chart. This is not based on anything other than the fact that I know what's happening, that I've been given the information of what is happening. And so far, you guys have to admit, ever since July 20th, we have been dead on. And we believe by the end of this bull run, this channel is going to go down in infamy. Maybe not infamy. Maybe that makes it sound like the Titanic or something. But we are going to go down. Sorry, I'm on a road that's got all these bumps in it. It's really crazy. I'm not off-roading in the TRX, but I could be. But we've been deadly accurate about what's been going on here. And so what do we expect to happen from here? Well, once we get above 42,000, we head to 44,000. The next support level or the next resistance level should be the dreaded 47,000, which was a number that I said I didn't think we would ever see Bitcoin go below again. That was based on all of my research and all of my study of the Bitcoin cycle. That was based on the fact I thought Bitcoin was heading to $330,000 or $320,000, which it should have been. But what happened? Well, we had the manipulators put a pause on the bull run. They put an absolute pause on the bull run. They stole 2 months out of this bull run from us so they could reaccumulate at lower prices. And you know, it's good in the short term for us that we're getting a second piece of the bull run, but it's a little sad we're not going to achieve the numbers, in my opinion, that I thought we were going to get to. And I was out there doing the best that I could with the information that I had at the time. There are a lot of other YouTubers out there. Obviously, we're your favorite channel, but there's other YouTubers out there that are doing the best they can based on the information, on the charts, on the history of Bitcoin, on their data science, on their analysis. They're doing the very, very, very best that they can. But unfortunately for these other YouTubers, which a lot of them are my friends, so I'm not saying bad stuff about them, they're just not getting the information that I'm getting right now. And I've been told where this thing is going. And I mentioned to another YouTuber in a DM message that we're going to $100,000, and he laughed at me. He basically said, yeah, LOL, that's not happening, implying that this is a bull trap and that it's a bull trap, and then we will be heading back down very soon. Guys, that's not happening. You can take what we're saying on this channel as truth. And it is unfortunate that, I said that we were not going to go below $47,000, and we did. And a lot of people gave me a lot of grief on that on Twitter, but I was just doing the best that I could with the information that I had. But now things have changed, and we know where things are going to. And by the way, I've got some more news on this impending black swan event that's coming in the fall. I think a lot of you guys can put 2 and 2 together at this point and see some things that are probably likely happening in the fall. But tomorrow on the Sunday Drive to Church, I think I'm going to give you guys the information on that. So make sure that you come back to the channel in the morning and I will have that video for you. It's a little bit different than I thought it was going to be, so I'm going to give you that full analysis. But where do we go in the short term for Ethereum? Well, let me tell you what a lot of people don't know. Last night, you know, the news outlets, they've been racking their brains trying to figure out how in the world Bitcoin pumped again out of nowhere last night. We told you expect a volatile weekend. We've got the volatility to the upside, which has been great. But guys, there is no reason. It's kind of sad, right? Like, I want there to be news. I want there to be reasons why these pump. But in reality, it was a large Bitcoin whale last night who actually moved the price in a 2-minute time span. You guys can go check those numbers out. What a lot of you guys don't know, some information that I've been given about this same Bitcoin whale, is that at the same time they were making this Bitcoin move, they were preparing a large Ethereum move. So the point is here is that the exact same time the Bitcoin was moved, 2 Ethereum wallets full of $90 million worth of Ethereum each were moved into position to pump the ETH price today. And guess what happened? The ETH price pumped today back up over 2,500. Now, we've got the hard fork coming. And, you know, I just realized this. You guys know I'm going on vacation. DZ will be filling in for me on the morning live stream. Which, did you guys check out the NFT update show today with DZ and Justin Williams? They did a phenomenal job. We got big stuff coming with NFTs, and that's a show that can keep you updated. So make sure to support them. Support DZ while I'm gone. Support the channel while I'm gone. This means I'm actually going to be able to take some breaks here and there where I don't have to make videos every day. I made videos every day but 2 in the last year. So it's kind of something that I need, kind of a little break that I think I need to spend some time with my family and not necessarily be doing it every day. So on the 4th, I'm leaving to go to Disneyland with my family. If you're going to be out there at the same time, you guys can look for me at the park. I'd love to meet some of you guys. I'll be in Anaheim for a few days. But the point is, on Wednesday, I'll be leaving after the morning live stream. So I'll actually be able to be live the day the London Hard Fork goes live, but then the days after, I won't be there to fill you guys in on what's going on. DZ will be there to do that. But this is something that we've been waiting on. We've been talking about this since, I believe, February. Since about February, we've been talking about how the price of Ethereum is going to be drastically affected by this London Hard Fork and the burning of fees. The same people that are making these moves, the same people that are moving Bitcoin, the same people who are moving Ethereum, these people want Ethereum decoupled from Bitcoin. Now, I can't say for sure that we're going to have a flipping this year. I do believe it's definitely a distinct possibility. I think it can happen. I believe, my bet is that it will happen. But the best thing for the crypto market, if you want to know how we break the crypto cycles to where you don't have to be so dependent on Bitcoin for the rest of the market, the reason why altcoins drop 97% in a bear market is because there's no confidence in those altcoins compared to Bitcoin. When Bitcoin is losing confidence, they're losing confidence. If Ethereum can pass Bitcoin, even if for a day, even if for an hour, it will show the rest of the markets that altcoins are here to stay and they deserve to move independent from Bitcoin. So that is what is at stake here. This is not just how much money can we make on ETH. Will it get to a $7,000 to $10,000 price point this year? None of that. That stuff will come. That stuff will come. But the question is, can Ethereum completely change the game? Woo. Sometimes you got to pull out, you know what I mean? Ethereum can absolutely change the game for the entire crypto market. So I did also, just as a side note, maybe I'll save this for tomorrow. I got some news on the XRP stuff. So tomorrow morning, I will be giving you guys that when we talk about the Black Swan event. So you guys watch for that video tomorrow morning. That's all I got. Be blessed. Way out.